Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuh. So in previous session we already seen about the here is ground floor 01. We see in previous session the infiltration and floors. Okay, so in this session we will see partition and further. Okay, so I am doing the space G01 retail 01. Okay, so ceiling partition and wall partition. What is the wall partition? I already explained. The wall which is not exposed to the sun is called wall partition. So this is the wall partition, this is the wall partition. Okay, but here retail 02 also will use the AC, air conditioning system, and here in the corridor entrance lobby also use the AC. Okay, air conditioning system. So the heat transfer from one space to other space will be 0. Okay, so this is the reason we will not consider this wall as a partition. Okay, so here wall partition we will leave 0. Okay, the other one is the ceiling partition. So here come let's go. See here I am not using the return duct. Okay, I include up to the slab level, this one. So there is no any ceiling partition. Okay, if I include only up to this false ceiling, then I have to mention this ceiling area as a partition ceiling. Okay, but I am not using the return air duct, I am using the free return. Only we will use the diffuser. Okay, return air diffuser, and it will return freely. Okay, without any return duct. Okay, so there is no also here there is no also ceiling partition, so we will leave 0. Okay, here so we already seen the general, internal, wall, windows, door, roofs, infiltration, floors, and partition one by one. Okay, now we will do the okay. So similarly we will do the same thing all the spaces. Okay, like here if you will come 02, the floor area is already included, and average ceiling height what is 3.55 it was. Okay, and building weight we will include the medium, and same thing we will do for all the spaces. What P retail. Okay, retail sales. Okay, sales, same thing. Also we will do here the same wattage, what was 15.5. okay, so I do all the spaces and show you. Okay, see, so retail 2 this is already put. Okay, and here internal I already feel same thing. Okay, here schedule, mall, everything. And now we will see the walls, window, and doors. So only one wall is exposed to the sun. Okay, so the direction is north. We will select here north, what about the wall gross areas? Let's see here, dimension and .225. okay, so we'll see 6.225 multiply how much, 3.55. okay, this is 3.55 up to the ceiling. So what about 22.09? okay, 22.09. okay, what about the windows? Only one, so window quantity is 1. okay, and next window 2, there is no any window except this one, so we will leave this window 2. And what about door quantity? Also there is no any door is exposed, so also we will leave the door. okay, so now we will explain about the construction type for this exposure window 1 quantity. So here none, here is none. Wall is same project wall, and window is same project window. Fine. Now roof, so let's check the roof. So see, there is no any exposed roof. okay, here there is no any exposed roof like retail 01. okay, like this one, ground floor, the first floor is here. Here it was the exposed roof only, but in here there is no any exposed room. okay, above retail 01 is the retail 08, so there is no any exposed roof. So here we will leave this one same. okay, we will not do anything because there is no any exposed roof, so no need to explain about the exposure. What about infiltration? So same, we will take 0.2, which I already explained in previous session. And floors, same floors above unconditioned space, this is the same thing. okay, here the temperature was 41. let's check, this is 42.1. okay, 42.1. so floor 42.1, so 5 minus 37.1. okay, here 12, so 5 degree 8, 12 and 5 17.8. fine. There is no any partition. See, there is no any partition. Here also AC will be installed, here AC will be installed, so there is no any partition. okay, so I hope you understand something from this video. If you learn, then please subscribe and comment. okay, now we will see next this retail 03, 04, 05, and one by one we will see. okay, so don't skip. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.